If you want to add a logo to your GoDaddy website easily, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to upload your logo, adjust it so it fits your layout perfectly, and then publish the changes so your site goes live with your new branding. This is a simple but important step if you want your website to look more professional, build trust with visitors, and keep your branding consistent across every page. And before we start, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this one. Now let's jump in. First, go to your GoDaddy product page and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the product dashboard, look for the Websites plus a Marketing section. This is where your GoDaddy website tools are managed. Next, find the site you want to update and click Manage next to it. That will take you into the controls for your website. From there, click Edit Website to launch the website editor. Once the editor opens, you'll see the layout of your site and a set of editing tools. On the right side of the screen, look at the editing panel and select Logo. This is the section that controls your site's logo area, so this is where you'll upload your branding image. After that, click Upload a Logo. GoDaddy will give you the option to add your own logo file, so choose Upload your logo and then select the image file from your computer. Ideally, use a clean, high-quality logo file for the best results. Once your file uploads, GoDaddy will let you customize how it appears on the page. Adjust the zoom until the logo is the right size, use the alignment controls to position it correctly, and change the spacing slider if you need to fine-tune how it sits in your header or layout. Take a moment here to make sure it looks balanced and professional on your website. If the logo appears too large, too small, or too close to other elements, this is where you can correct it before going live. When everything looks good, click Done to save your changes inside the editor. At this point, your logo is added, but it's not visible to the public yet. To make it live, click Publish in the top right corner. This pushes the update to your website so visitors can see the new logo immediately. And that's it. You've now added a logo to your GoDaddy website easily. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference in how professional your site looks. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more GoDaddy and website building tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.